Looking for a refreshing summer cocktail or just running out of ideas for refreshing drinks to make at home? Stay tuned, I've got some great, easy, refreshing cocktails just for you. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I've got 4 great refreshing cocktail recipes that I promise you your guests are absolutely going to love. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice in all things cocktail and bartending, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video when it comes out. Now, even though these make for some seriously refreshing summer cocktails, they're perfect for any time of year that you want something cold and delicious to drink. I'm going to be sharing with you 4 refreshing drink recipes, 3 originals, and 1 very popular crowd pleaser. By the way, if you're looking for some refreshing non-alcoholic drinks, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. And don't let the thumbnail fool you. They're more than just refreshing drinks for the summer. They're great for any time of the year. Now this time around, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple gin cocktails, refreshing bourbon cocktails, as well as some simple rum cocktails. Let's get into it. Now first up, we're going to have one of my favorite simple gin drinks, the gin Basil Smash. Now for this one, all you're going to need is to grab your shaker, get about 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves. Then you're going to go with 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and an ounce of simple syrup. Give those a nice muddle in your shaker. Then you're going to go ahead and add some ice to it. Give it a nice shake, and then go ahead and dirty dump that out into your rocks glass. Add some more ice to it, and then you top it off with 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water. Once you've done that, just go ahead and take a fresh sprig of basil, give it a nice agitating over your fingers, and then place that in your glass. You're set to serve it to your guests. Gin Basil Smash. Now for the next 3 cocktails, I'm actually going to need a little bit of help from you guys. Now from time to time, if you've been following me on Instagram, you'll see that I post drink recipes and ask for some feedback from you guys. Now, I promise you this isn't some kind of crazy Instagram hack or anything like that for engagement. It's me legit not knowing what to call these cocktails. Trust me, the writer's block is real. So if you think of a cool name for any one of these riffs, do me a favor and drop it in the comments below along with your social media, and I'll update the description from this video along with your name and give you a shout out in the process. Now next up is my old-fashioned mint julep riff. Yeah, mint julep is also a word. Now for this one, all you're going to do is take your rock glass, add 2 ounces of bourbon, about a half an ounce of peach syrup, and then 3 to 4 dashes of cardamom bitters. Take some crushed ice and go ahead and fill the glass about halfway. Use your bar spoon, or if you have a swizzle stick, obviously that'll work great too, but just go ahead and take the spoon and go ahead and give it a nice mix with the spoon. Once that's nice and mixed up, just go ahead and add a little bit more crushed ice to that. Swizzle it some more, mix it a little bit some more with the bar spoon, and then take some fresh mint, agitate it over your fingers, place it in the glass, and you're ready to serve this old-fashioned mint julep riff to your guests. Now next up we have our mojito riff. Now for this one, all you're going to do is grab your shaker, about 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves, depending on how minty you want it. Go ahead and drop those in your shaker. Add to that 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1 ounce of ginger syrup, and of course 2 ounces of rum. Give that a nice light muddle. Of course, don't work it too much because you don't want that green vegetal flavor from the mint, just a little bit of a muddle to release the oils from the mint. Add a little bit of crushed ice to that and give it a nice shake. Once you've done that, take your glass with some more crushed ice, strain that into your glass, add a little bit more crushed ice, and then top that off with about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water. Give it a nice gentle stir. Take a fresh sprig of mint, agitate it over your fingers, and then place it in the ice gently to finish off that garnish and serve it to your guests. Mojito riff. Now last but not least, we have our Daiquiri riff. Now this is actually one of my favorites that I came up with for this video. For this one, all you're going to do is grab your shaker with some ice, of course. You're going to add 2 ounces of rum to it, 1 ounce of bergamot liqueur, half an ounce of fresh lime juice, and half an ounce of ginger syrup. Go ahead and give that a nice shake, and then you're going to go ahead and dirty dump that into a rock glass with ice. Fill it up with a little bit more ice, and then top it off with a bit of sparkling water, about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water. Give it a nice stir, and then for the garnish, all you do is cut a simple lime wheel, and you're all set. This is one of my favorites because it has great floral citrusy notes from the bergamot, and it all plays nicely with the citrus from the lime, and of course the ginger syrup gives it a nice little kick, the daiquiri riff. And there you have it. 4 of my go-tos for whenever I'm looking for refreshing cocktail recipes. Now, if you want to check out some more cool recipes that I came up with, check out this video right here. And once again, don't be fooled by the thumbnail. These are great for any time of year. If you're looking for some products to help you upgrade your bar skills, don't forget to check out barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the link in the description and download the Barprints cheat sheet, our free PDF guide that'll help you go from novice to pro bartender in under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And of course, if you're looking for some more great cocktail ideas and advice, don't forget to check out these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.